Hi everyone. Welcome back with the fourth puzzle of today's newspaper in the additional of Friday, May the 29th, 2020. Let me see what kind of binary puzzle this is. It's in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there's always a 4 ones and 4 O's. Remember that? So we can start. So let's get started. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. A double 1, here an O, then O. Double O, here and 1, then 1. Double 1, here and O, then O. Double 1, here and O, then O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O. So the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here and 1, then 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1, here and O, then O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O. So the rest are ones. Between 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Double O. Here 1, then 1. Double O. Here 1, then 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1. Here an O, then O. Between two O's comes an 1. Then I need to compare, I think. Yes, between two O's comes an 1. Now I have 4 ones in a row, so the rest are O's. Double O, here and 1, then 1. Double 1, here and O, then O. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. I cannot place an 1 here, the fourth one. Otherwise, we have 3 O's in a row in this column. So this should be an O. And then I need to compare. Yes. This column and that column. We have here 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box. I need to switch those numbers. Otherwise, if I place a 1 here, then this should be an O. Then it will be identical rows. I cannot do that. One of the rules is no identical rows or columns. So I need to switch those numbers. An O, and this is a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Can I compare with this? No. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. 1 O 1 double O. No. 1. No. How about 101? 101? No. I need to look for the rows. this number should be between a 1 and an O. There's always a 1 and an O. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So this should be in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Then do I have 1, 1, 0, 1, 0? Yes, this column and this column. Let's compare. Empty box. 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box. So I need to switch these two numbers. We have a 1 here, so this should be an O. We have an O there, so this should be a 1. Between two 1 comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, and this is number 4. Yeah, and do I have 1, 1? I need to compare again. Do I have a double O here? No. This column, row, and that row, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box, empty box. I need to switch those two numbers. So we have an O here, this should be in 1. We have a 1 there, this should be in O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 minutes. Solved this binary puzzle. It's a great binary because we have 3 almost identical rows